Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching. So today's recipe is for khichari, often made for people who have upset stomach or they need to be on a soft diet. It is very easy and fairly simple to make. So let's get started. So I have here zebra rice. You can use any rice of your choice, and it's 2 to 1 ratio. So 2 cups of rice to 1 cup of dal, and I'm using whole moong lentil here. So 1 cup of lentil goes in. So I already have my dal washed, and I'm gonna soak it for an hour or so. And I'll soak my rice about 30 minutes before I start cooking, because they don't need to soak that much. But since I'm using whole moong dal, I need to soak this for a little bit longer. If I was using the split one, then I would soak them for the same amount, the rice and the dal. So soak this, and then we're gonna soak the rice a little bit later. Now I have here 1.5 blocks of butter. So that's about 3/4 of a cup. And to that, I'm going to slice 1 medium-sized onion, and we need to saute the onions till they turn light golden. Now I just soaked my rice now because the dal is going to take about 10-20 minutes to cook. So soak your rice at this point. Once your onions start looking like that, add your dal and add about 2 cups of water. Let that come to a boil. Cover and cook on medium flame till the water has dried up and your dal is almost done. So at this point, check your dal, and it's nice and cooked somewhat. And to that, then add your rice and add about 5 to 6 cups of water, the same cup that you measured the rice with. After adding the water, add your salt. I added 1.5 teaspoon of salt, but you can taste after some of the water has dried up. You can taste it and see if it needs more. At this point, you should taste your salt, and if you think it needs more, you can add more. So each salt is different, and now I'm gonna cover this and lower the flame and cook it for about 25 minutes or so. After the 25 minutes, this is what it should look like. But we don't want it like this. We need it a little mushy, so turn the flame high and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring the way I am here, so it turns nice and mushy. Now at this point it is ready. Go ahead and serve it. If you're not unwell, you can have it plain by itself, or maybe with some yogurt on the side. But everybody in my family loves to have khichari, so I like to have it with some achar or maybe some chutney and some salad on the side as well. So hopefully this was helpful, and if you haven't done so, please like, share and subscribe, and make it for your loved ones. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for many more recipes to come.